Hi, to bring back Safari to home screen on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to swipe left until you can see Apply Prairie. Here you need to tap on folders so you'll find Safari in one of them. Let's just tap on some folders. Let me just tap on utilities and yep, here it is. Now we can either press and hold it and choose to add to home screen, or we can hold it and drag to home screen manually and leave at the bottom with all of the essential apps. Now I'm gonna tap done, and now we get back Safari to our home screen. And now the way how you can bring it back is you can swipe down from the top to trigger Spotlight search, and here manually enter Safari, then as we did before, press and hold it and drag to your home screen. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.